Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix a seatbelt that won't go into the buckle, or that, when you try to fasten it, simply slips out and won't lock, making it impossible to use. Sorry for my English, but this is my first video in this language and I didn't want to use AI. I tried different movements to try to fasten it, but it doesn't work. I tried everything: disassemble, reinstall, lubricated with oil, cleaned again, and it didn't work. Note that if I remove this plastic, which I don't know its name, you will be able to confirm that the mechanism works perfectly. You can see that now the buckle doesn't come off and it stays hooked. So we can confirm that the fault is in the red plastic. Apparently, the mechanism is perfect. If the same thing happens to your belt, this video will help you. To release the seat belt, you must pull back the black pin or the one seen above. If the belt works properly this way, the problem isn't the mechanism. The problem is here. To put the red plastic in place, pull back the bottom white axle and press the red plastic down. The show goes down, but it doesn't. It goes up and doesn't lock the buckle. I'll show you how to take it apart without breaking it. Insert a flathead screwdriver between the metal and the plastic and apply downward force, once on each side. The problem is here and here. This small metal stops the seatbelt from locking. All you have to do is cut off a small piece of the red plastic. Let's cut with the clamp without passing the video so you can see it. It's very simple, almost stupid. Now it worked perfectly. Lock in the buckle. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. I hope it has helped you. I look forward to your comment and, if possible, a small donation. Subscribe for more solutions like this. Bye!